Are you in search of a high-quality stainless steel saucepan set that combines functionality, durability, and elegance? This Michelangelo two-piece stainless steel saucepan set is the perfect solution for both home cooks and professional chefs. Designed with German technology, this induction-compatible set promises top-notch performance while elevating your kitchen aesthetics. With a 1-quart and a 2-quart saucepan included, this set covers all your daily cooking needs. From making sauces to reheating soups, this premium stainless steel cookware ensures consistent results every time. Let's explore what makes this saucepan set a must-have for your kitchen. Key features that set Michelangelo apart. 1. Premium 1810 stainless steel construction. The Michelangelo saucepan set is crafted from 1810 stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting durability. This material is resistant to rust, stains, and corrosion, making it ideal for years of daily use. Unlike lower-quality options, this stainless steel doesn't react with acidic foods, ensuring your dishes retain their natural flavors. 2. Aluminum core for fast and even heating. Each saucepan features an impact-bonded aluminum core, strategically placed at the base. This allows for quick heating for time-efficient cooking, even heat distribution to eliminate hot spots, energy efficiency, reducing the amount of gas or electricity required. Whether you're simmering sauces or boiling pasta, the results are always consistent and professional. 3. Flavor lock glass lids. The transparent glass lids are designed to lock in moisture, nutrients, and flavor. You can monitor your cooking process without lifting the lid, ensuring perfect results every time. The lids fit snugly, preventing steam and heat from escaping, which is essential for retaining the nutritional value of your meals. 4. Cool grip handles. The saucepans are equipped with ergonomic stainless steel handles that stay cool to the touch. These handles are double riveted for added security and provide a comfortable, non-slip grip. This design ensures safety and ease of use, even when the pan is hot. Why Michelangelo saucepan set is worth buying? Perfect for all cooktops. This saucepan set is compatible with all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic. It is also oven-safe and broiler-safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to use it for baking or high-heat cooking. Dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. No one likes scrubbing pans after cooking. The Michelangelo saucepans have a mirror-finish surface that makes them incredibly easy to clean. Toss them in the dishwasher for effortless maintenance. Compact sizes for daily cooking. The 1-quart and 2-quart sizes are ideal for everyday meals. Whether you're reheating soup for one or preparing a sauce for family dinner, these pans are versatile and efficient. What makes Michelangelo different? 1. German technology for reliability. Michelangelo is renowned for its attention to detail and commitment to quality. Incorporating German technology, this saucepan set offers advanced performance that stands out from competitors. 2. Eco-friendly materials. This saucepan set is designed with eco-conscious practices. The durable materials are not only safe for you, but also better for the environment, ensuring sustainable cooking practices. 3. Affordable luxury. While high-quality cookware often comes at a premium price, Michelangelo strikes the perfect balance between luxury and affordability. This makes it accessible to a wider audience without compromising on quality. Why should you choose Michelangelo? 1. Long-lasting durability, built with premium-grade stainless steel. 2. Effortless cooking experience, even heat distribution ensures perfect results. 3. Versatility, suitable for stovetops, ovens, and broilers. 4. Stylish design, sleek mirror finish adds elegance to your kitchen. 5. Healthier cooking, flavor lock lids retain nutrients and moisture. Final verdict, a must-have for every kitchen. The Michelangelo two-piece stainless steel saucepan set is more than just cookware. It's an investment in your culinary journey. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, these saucepans are reliable, efficient, and stylish. From their eco-friendly construction to their advanced heating technology, they tick all the right boxes. Upgrade your kitchen today with this Michelangelo saucepan set and experience the difference. With its durability, versatility, and premium performance, it's bound to become your go-to cookware for years to come. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.